See here, a raindrop of radius 0.3 millimeter has a terminal velocity in air is 1 meter per second. Air is also acting as a fluid, that is actually a fluid, and coefficient of air is equal to 18 into 10 raised to power minus 5 dyne per centimeter square second into second. Find viscous force on the raindrop. So, you know, for the viscous force formula is here 6 pi eta r v. So, here r is the radius, r is given to you 0.3 millimeter is equal to 0.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. V already given to you 1 meter per second. Coefficient of viscosity is given to you 18 into 10 raised to power minus 5 dyne centimeter per centimeter square into second. That can be written 18 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Newton per meter square into second. Now, put all these values over here, you will be getting F is equal to 6 into 20 by 7 into 18 into 10 raised to power minus 6 into 0.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 and into velocity, that is 1 here, it will be coming in Newton. So, you will be getting, when you solve, multiply all these things, 1.018 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Newton. This is actually here viscous force.